Hello everyone, let's make some air fryer sweet potato cubes or chunks. As always, I've linked to the recipe in the description box, so let's get to it. I always like to start by cleaning and peeling my sweet potatoes, but this is optional, so feel free by all means to leave the skin on if you prefer, as it's packed with fiber and good vitamins. Next, trim off the ends, and then you just want to cut them into bite-sized pieces. I always like to start by cutting them into circular discs before I cut them into cubes or chunks. This way I get more evenly sized sweet potatoes, which in turn cook evenly. Again, feel free to cut the cubes as big or as small as you prefer. Just bear in mind that the smaller they are, the crispier they generally turn out. Once cut, you want to transfer them to a bowl and top with some olive oil. The olive oil is optional, as you can still get delicious air fryer sweet potatoes without using any oil. Next, proceed on to season with salt and pepper and then give it a good mix. You do not need to preheat your air fryer, but make sure to check the instructions that come with it. I am using the Ninja Foodi Max for this recipe, and it does not need any preheating. And I will say this is the case for most air fryers nowadays. Proceed on to transfer the sweet potato cubes to your air fryer basket. Try not to overcrowd them if you prefer them more crispy. Air fry at 390 degrees Fahrenheit, approximately 200 degrees Celsius, for 13 to 14 minutes, making sure to check midway through cooking. Depending on the model you own, shake your air fryer basket or carefully turn using a spatula. You then want to air fry for the remaining time until done and properly crispened and brown. So these are done, or this is how we like ours. You can add 1 or 2 more minutes to the cooking time. You prefer yours browner or crispier. You then want to transfer the cooked sweet potato to a bowl. And then top with some honey or some maple syrup. You can also top it at this point with your favorite seasonings such as cinnamon, pumpkin spice. The list is endless. Transfer to a plate and serve. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, like, share. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.